How to change your language in DeepSeek. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can change up our language on DeepSeek. So if you're also wondering and you want to change your language on DeepSeek in order to use this app, you can follow up the steps and you should be able to easily change your language on it. So for that, you need to have the DeepSeek application, or you can also directly head over to your browser and go to deepseek.com. And once you open it up, you'll be finding this interface on your screen after you're logged in. So in order to change your language, you can go ahead and click on this horizontal lines at the top left corner, two of them. Go ahead and tap on it. And below here, you'll be finding your account. And below here, you'll be finding your account. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be finding different settings available. Select this option called app language, which is under the app section right here. You can go ahead and select app and you'll be finding languages option here. So you can choose up to the language that you want. For example, let me choose Arabic and apply it and click on done. When done, you can see the app language has been changed into Arabic. So that is it. That is how you change your language in DeepSeek by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.